Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, joins us now for the final trade of the day. Any thoughts about the market before we get to that?
I have lots of thoughts about the market right now. Angie, in my 30 years down here, I really can't remember a single period of time where there's so much headline risk going on at once. Not just one thing, two things, three things, but so much where any one of them can move the market, let alone multiple, at one time. I mean, it's a fun time in the market. It's a volatile time in the market. And if you study economics, study the market, it's really an interesting time.
You are the second trader to come on our show today and talk about the headline risk to this market. So I am fully paying attention here.
Beautiful.
Let's take a look at your trade of the day,
Yes.
which involves a glucose monitoring company. So a diabetes angle here happening.
Yes, it's a healthcare company called DexCom. DXCM is the ticker. They had earnings last week, actually, so that's behind us. This is not an earnings, this is not an FDA announcement type of play at all. This stock, though, has really held a nice base right after earnings. It's been holding right around 135, building up a lot of volume. We like the momentum behind that. We like the upside. So what we're doing is we're going out to next month. There are no weekly options in this particular ticker. So we're going out to the December 21st regular expiration. The market maker move, so the expected move right now built into the marketplace is about $17, $18. Really, if you look to the upside, targeting 155-ish. We're buying the December 150, 155 call spread for about $1.15 or so, somewhere in that range. Now, being a $5 wide call spread, Angie, this can go to $5. We pay $1.15. The possible reward on this is $3.85. You know I always talk about reward to risk.
You do.
This one's a beaut because this is over 3-to-1 reward to risk.
And overall, you're not so worried about what's going on with the company's fundamentals. What are you really watching here as an options trader?
Option trader, you look for paper flow, you look at technicals, where does volume come in, how much volume does a stock move on fundamental news, or does it move on technical news? So I'm really looking at technicals on this one.
Let's talk about some of your previous trades.
Yes.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola was fantastic. We talked about this a few weeks ago. We bought an upside call spread. Stock has rallied about $4, trading over 50. Truth be told, we're out of our call spread now. We made about 2.5x on the spread. Hess, other side of the coin here, and this is full disclosure. We put on a bullish call spread that was right before the oil debacle. Now, Hess has actually held up fairly well during this, and this goes to show you, Angie, this is the power of using options and the leverage that you have using options. So you see the oil space down 20%, massive losses. Our call spread, which we exited now, we bought it for 55 cents, we exited at 35 cents. You know what, sometimes as a trader, you have to know when to fold them, right? You're not gonna win every trade.
Just slip on out.
And you move on to the next.
And so are we.
That's right.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.